Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur face on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your CapCut app, create a new project and add the video that you want to add blur to. Now, since we want to add blur to this video, we'll have to add the video again as an overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay and import the same video again but as an overlay. Now resize the video as the main video. Now to blur the face, choose the masking feature on the overlay video. To find the masking feature, scroll all the way right. And here you can see the mask feature. Click on it. Click on the circle mask and select the face since we want to blur the face. Once you're happy with your selection, click here. And now to add the blur feature, select the overlay and click on Effects, Video Effects and search for blur. Now you can find different kind of blur here, and you can also adjust blur's intensity. And you can see we have successfully added the blur to the face. That's it. That's how you can blur face on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.